Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we are discussing MCQs on poetics. So that is by Aristotle, which contains a mix of direct and indirect narrative. So that is Homeric epic. So according to Aristotle, जो होमर की epic थी उसमें direct और indirect narratives दोनों हैं. Three unities जो कि mention की गई, they are unity of place, unity of time, unity of action. So unity of place means कि the place should remain the same, यानी considerably वही place होनी चाहिए जिसका scene set है. आप कोई different places को अचानक नहीं दिखा सकते. Unity of time कि time logically वो होना चाहिए जो कि एक within a one day जो कि हो सकता है. Action वो होना चाहिए जो कि within the set performance possible है, जो कि बाद में वायलेट किया गया शेक्सपियर के टाइम में, जिसमें डेज भी चेंज किए गए, जिसमें प्लेसेस भी चेंज थी, जिसमें एक्शन भी चेंज था, और जिसमें बहुत सारे ऐसे इश्यूज थे जो कि इन ड्रामेटिक यूनिटीज को लाइक जो मॉडर्न प्लेस हैं वो एक्सेसिव लेवल तक उन्हें लाइक वायलेट करते हैं. So Aristotle gave maximum importance to plot. उसके नजदीक प्लॉट सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है. प्लॉट जितना स्ट्रेंथ होगी इसमें उतनी आपकी स्टोरी अच्छी होगी, उतने कैरेक्टर्स अच्छे होंगे, उतनी ट्रेजेडी या एपिक अच्छी होगी. लीस्ट इंपॉर्टेंस वाज गिवन टू द स्पेक्टिकल, यानी वो जो आपका बेसिकली स्टेज है, जो बैकग्राउंड है, क्योंकि उस जमाने में सेटिंग द स्टेज, मेकिंग द बैकग्राउंड प्रॉपर्ली, इट वाज नॉट डिफिकल्ट. आजकल के प्लेस में ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल ले गया स्पेक्टिकल के परफॉर्मेंस के साथ साथ उस सेटिंग का भी इम्पोर्टेंट या कंसिडरेबल या लाइक अलाइन होना ज़रूरी है. लेकिन टू एरिस्टोटल इट डिड नॉट मैटर मच, क्योंकि ग्रीक प्लेस जो थे they were performed, several plays were performed on a single stage in a day, so it was not easy for everyone to come and first install the stage and then carry on with the performance. Which is the unity that Aristotle most insists upon. So he is most insisting upon the unity of action. कि ये violate तो बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए. If this is violated, it means the soul of trauma is violated. Which genre has the same plot structure as tragedy? So this is epic poetry. So the epic is having the same plot, just like a tragedy. There can be tragedy in an epic, but not an epic in a tragedy, says Aristotle. Like just a Troy है, Iliad, तो Iliad में Trojan War है, उसमें बहुत सारे incidents हैं जो tragic हैं, like Achilles की death, that is tragic. Hector की death, that is tragic. So that is Agamemnon की death, that is tragic. So all the tragedies are happening within an epic. लेकिन लाइक ट्रेजेडी के अंदर एपिक नहीं होती, एपिक के अंदर ट्रेजेडी हो सकती है. Which has an episodic structure according to Aristotle. So he says biography and history have episodic structures. A complex plot must contain. So a complex plot according to Aristotle must have peripecia and the anagnoses. So peripecia or anagnoses, they are required for a plot. इनमें से कोई एक जरूर होना चाहिए. The peripecia is a reversal. So this is basically the reversal of situation. In a way that Oedipus, who says in the beginning of Oedipus Rex that I, Oedipus, who who bears the famous name. So this shows his pride. So इसमें उसका गुरूर नजर आ रहा है Oedipus का, कि I जो है उस लफ्ज में ही अना है जो हमें नजर आती है, उसके साथ साथ जो उसके अंदर उसकी एक सेल्फ कंसीट जो भरी हुई है वो भी बड़ी विजिबल है. So I, Oedipus, who bears a famous name. So this is his beginning role. And then जो उसका एंड है उसमें जब वो बोलता है I, Oedipus, damned in his birth, in his marriage damned in the blood he shed with his own hands. So अब आप इन दोनों sentences को देख लें. This was the reversal of situation. The same person who was boasting on being Oedipus and having a great name was in the end shameful on his birth, his marriage, and the blood he shed. Anagnosis is discovery. So discovery is also important in plot. So ये वो है जो कि एक with the process of time, यानी play के साथ साथ जो action है उसके साथ एक चीज discover होती है, जैसा Oedipus में, क्योंकि Aristotle considers Phocles, Oedipus Rex as the masterpiece of tragedy और ideal tragedy, कि उसके अंदर जिस tragedy है, tragedy को ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, वैसे ही characters, वैसा ही plot, वैसे ही reversal, वैसे ही discovery, वैसे ही tragedy. So ये सब कुछ. So उसमें discovery क्या है कि sooner or later Oedipus realizes that he himself is the defilement of the city that he is searching. What is the best kind of tragic plot? So best kind of tragic plot is a harmful deed is premeditated in ignorance, कि बड़ा खतरनाक जुल्म किया गया लेकिन वो ignorance में हुआ, लेकिन a discovery helps prevent it, लेकिन उसको मजीद continuation discovery से रुक जाता है, जिस Oedipus was living with his own mother, but after discovery that ended, even though that resulted in his own tragedy. Which is the worst kind of tragic plot? So according to Aristotle, the worst kind of tragic plot is a harmful deed is avoided unknowingly. So knowingly. कि Oedipus को पता लगा कि he will marry his father and mother, so वो कभी शादी ना करता, तो ये worst plot बन जाता. Which is the worst kind of anagnosis? So it is a recognition means by signs or marks. कि शुरू से अगर पता लग जाता, तो this would have been like the worst kind of discovery. So best anagnosis according to Aristotle is that develops with the structure of the plot, जैसा कि Oedipus में हुआ कि structure के साथ वो चीज सामने आई, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता dialogues के जरिए, actions के जरिए, which is not something Aristotle says that he will address in the Poetics. So he does not talk about revision process of poetry. What does dramatis mean? So dramatis means drama of action by Aristotle. Tragedy presents man better than they are. So tragedy में जो लोग दिखाए जाते हैं वो जो हैं उससे बेहतर दिखाए जाते हैं. Like Oedipus को दिखाया गया कि वो किंग है, बड़ा वेलफेयर का ख्याल है उसे, लोग उससे मदद मांगते हैं, वो बड़ा कंसर्न्ड है, वो भी सोच रहा है इस प्लेग के बारे में. तो apparently तो वो ऐसा है, but he is being shown better than he really is. तो really वो क्या है कि he is committing incest, he has committed murder, patricide, like अपने father को मारा उसने. Comedy presents man worse than they are. So comedy में जो इस तरह वो लोग होते नहीं है जितना कि उन्हें worse दिखाया जाता है, to create humor. Epic again presents man better than they are. कि epic में भी जो इंसान है उसको से बेहतर दिखाया जाता है ताकि उसमें भी tragic effect आए. According to Aristotle, Homer tends to present men again better than they are. Homer भी ऐसे present करता है लोगों को जितना वो अच्छे होते नहीं है लेकिन जितना उनको दिखाया जा रहा है. What genre began with the imitation of meaner men. यानी meaner men means के वो लोग जो के जिनकी लाइफ के अंदर meanness थी, जो के comic elements provoke कर सकते थे, तो इसको comedy कहा गया. Which genre was first not taken seriously? So it was comedy. So comedy was not taken seriously. By what definition? By definition it's serious, complete, and of a significant magnitude. So that is tragedy, which is imitation of an action. What comprises the arrangement of incidents that result from character and sort giving a way to action? So that is plot. Complication and denouement are two elements of plot. So complication is basically the climax and denouement is following action or ending. What is the term for the qualities ascribed to a certain man? So that is character, which is again important in tragedy. So these were some important things from Aristotle's